Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting off a PhD working weekends vlog. I'm going to be going into lab this weekend and working, and I felt like it would be a good opportunity to show you what I do. And I just have to set something up for an experiment later, and if this was like a normal weekday I would set it up and then do a bunch of other stuff during the day, but I am not going to do that today. So I'm just going to set stuff up and then leave, and I think I'll get a coffee on my way home and then make breakfast, and then after I eat and do some other stuff for a couple hours, I'll head back to lab and do a bunch of stuff. But yeah, so I'd say when I do work over the weekend, this is kind of the typical situation where I'm not there all day. So hopefully this is an interesting video and you can see kind of how I balance work and my life. Work-life balance. So anyways, I am going to head over to the lab, and yeah. So it's a lot later and I'm heading back out to the lab. Just getting stuff together. I definitely tried or was intending to leave early, but got sidetracked like many things, so it's okay. Okay, so now that it's been about 5 hours of growth, I'm gonna check the OD 600 of the culture again. And if it seems like the culture is in exponential growth phase, then I can begin the experiment. And if it's not, I'll just put it back in the incubator and let the yeast keep growing until they do reach that point. Okay, so you just saw me preparing the stuff for the heat shock, but yeah, the tubes are in this thermocycler. It has 19 minutes left, so it's set at 42 degrees. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to take out some plates and leave them around the open flame so that they can like dry out. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, the sample's just finished, so I'm just going to spin these down. Still need to label all of these plates, and I have two different plates here. For one of them, for this set, like the darker colored set, I need to plate the cultures in a 1 to 1000 dilution, so I also have to set up tubes for that. This part's going to be super tedious. Just finished plating the yeast, and then I did a couple other things that I would have shown you, but for whatever reason my phone said I can't record any more video because my storage was getting full, which was very confusing because I literally have a terabyte or like 2 terabytes of iCloud storage that I subscribe to. Okay, so today is Sunday, August 1st, and I just got up and had breakfast, and now I'm on my way to lab, and I'm gonna stop at Starbucks on the way and grab a coffee. I actually mobile ordered it and it already said it's ready, so I'm like, okay, that was fast, because it said it would take 10 to 13 minutes. And the Starbucks is only like a 4-minute drive away, so I just ordered it already. But yeah, so I'm gonna get coffee and do a few things in lab today, which I'll show you. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make some gels to run a bunch of PCRs that I ran a couple days ago. Yeah, so I'm just going to make gels now, and then it'll take about 30 minutes for them to harden, and then I'll be able to run the PCRs. Okay, so while those gels are hardening, I am going to check the overnights that I set up before leaving yesterday and see how grown up they are. If it looks like they're confluent enough, then I'll go ahead and make a glycerol stock of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these now is put them into our -80. So I'm going to put one into my own personal box of stocks, and then one into like the lab's bacterial strain database. So this is my box. Okay, so my gels are definitely hardened by now, and so I'm going to run my PCR products on them. So I'm just getting them out of the thermocycler. I had quite a lot, 14 I think, different PCRs that I ran. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add some loading dye, 6X loading dye, to the samples. Okay, so it's been a hot minute and I forgot to set a timer, but I think it's been almost an hour. So I'm gonna go check on the gel and hopefully we'll be out of here soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the gels for a little bit longer because the ladder didn't look like it separated that well. I'll run it, maybe give it another like 15 minutes and then go check. But I did see bands showing up. They were a little faint, but they were there. So I can probably cut bands out and then save them for gel extraction. Okay, so here's what the gels are looking like. I would say the second and the third PCRs worked, maybe the fourth one. The band's very faint. I guess maybe the first one too, I don't know. The bands are very faint and usually they're not that faint, so I might still cut them out just in case. These ones definitely came out the best, and this is like what I would typically expect to see, like more of a thick, bright band. Okay, so these were all the fragments I cut out, so I'm just gonna add some buffer and then stick it in my freezer, and then tomorrow when I come in, I'll do the gel extraction. Okay, so I'm done for today and I'm just about to head out. It's about 4 p.m. and yeah, that's all I want to do today. I mean, obviously, like, there's always more stuff to do, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a long time since I've done like a PhD related video. Thank you for everybody that has like subscribed and stuck with my channel, even though my content is kind of like all over the place. I just don't want to be too specific in what I make videos on. Like, I don't want to prevent myself from making a video just because it doesn't fit like a specific category. And yeah, I'm glad that I have people who watch my videos who can appreciate that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.